Today we're going to show you how to replace the battery in your Poly Savi 7210 or 7310 wireless headset. On average, you're going to want to replace your battery about every 2 to 3 years, depending how long the battery is holding a charge. With the replacement battery is going to come this small screwdriver, which is a PH00. In case you lost a screwdriver, that's the size that you're going to need. Many customers think the battery's in the charging base, but it's actually in the headset itself. So if you go to the cushion side, not the speaker, but the opposite side, there's this cushion that you can remove, peel it off, take your small screwdriver, and we're gonna go ahead and remove the screws. So let's start by doing that. Okay, once you have the screws removed, make sure that you're doing this on a table where you're not gonna lose the screws, something that's a white table or something where the screws can't easily get dropped on the floor. If they get dropped, it's very easy for them to get lost. All right, so once you remove the cover, there's the battery. It's very easy. You would just take the old battery out. You would disconnect this white clip here. You would take the new battery, install it, and then this next part is going to be very important. So once you get it back in its housing properly, we can do that there. Okay, so there's a cord right here that you want to make sure that it doesn't get cut from reattaching the cover. So if you were to reattach it and you started pushing down on that cord, you'll see that it could possibly break it. So what you want to do is make sure it kind of falls into this housing of the headset. There's this small foam cushion that you want to put right here on the battery. Take the cover, place it back on, and make sure that it fully covers the cord so it's not stripping the wire. And then you just want to kind of press it onto the headset. And there you go. You would take the new screws, put them back. And that is it. If you're in need of this compatible replacement battery, there's going to be a link in the description of this video. Make sure you use coupon code YouTube for an additional discount. Plus, the small screwdriver is going to come included in the case that you don't actually have a screwdriver that's that small, and you won't have to go to the store and buy anything additional. If you found this video helpful, consider hitting the like, subscribe, and notification bell for more videos just like this.